And that's 9/8 pi. 1.125 pi is about 3.5 feet squared. You might just ask yourself quickly if that makes sense. What's the area of the whole circle? Well, the area of the whole circle is 9 pi. It's about 28, and 45 over 360 is about an eighth of that, right? Well, it's not about an eighth, it is an eighth, but you get the picture. You can kind of decide whether or not this makes sense. If the area of the whole circle is 28 and you get 35 as your answer here, you're wrong, right? It can't be more than the whole area. And the last one we're going to look at, if we had that is a terrible looking circle. All right, that is okay. And say we have this angle here, but say this time we wanted to find the area out here, and the radius is 7 millimeters, and let's say that the arc measure is 20. The central angle would also be 20 then, right? So what's the area of this outside part, right? Well, first quickly ask yourself, is it going to be more or less than half, right? Well, it should be quite a bit more because this is all but 20 over 360, right? So how much is this arc or this angle, right? Well, it's all but 20, which means it is 340. So 340 is the number you want to use, not 20, unless you find the area of this sector and subtract it from the whole area, which seems like extra work to me rather than just finding the arc length, the arc measure first. So we have area over pi r squared, that's 49 pi, because r is 7, is 340 over 360. You could simplify this if you want. It's 34 over 36, or 17 over 18, right? And then you're multiplying that by 49 pi. And we should get that the area is about 145.4 meters squared. Again, we might ask ourselves, does that make sense? Well, 49 pi is 153, 154, it's almost 154. 145 seems like about, a little bit less than that, right? So it should be good. Homework is on Canvas, and that's all we have for today.